Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to display your phone's screen on your computer, and also record your phone's screen using scrcpy. First, open your browser and navigate to Google search. Now write ADBXDA and press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down the page, and click download the ADB zip file for Windows. Now, go to github.com/gnomobile/scripty/releases/tags/v1.14, link is given in the description. Scroll down the page and select the installer regarding your PC. If you have 32-bit PC, then download 32-bit version, or if 64-bit PC, then download 64-bit version. Now, extract both zip files in separate folder. Now, open scrcpy folder. Select all the files and copy. Now, open the Platform Tools folder. Paste all the files that you copied from scrcpy folder. Click Copy and Replace. Now close the scrcpy folder. Now, I will show you how to turn on USB debugging on the phone. So, now on your phone, you have to open Settings app. Now, click on My Device. If my device is not given, then click on About Phone. Click All Specs. Now, click 7 times rapidly on your build number or my version. You will see a message that you are now a developer. Now, go to Developer Options. Now, scroll down and enable USB debugging. Select OK. Now, connect your phone with your computer, and enable file transfer. Now, back on the computer, go to Platform Tools folder and hold Shift and press right click, and select Open Command Prompt here. Now, write ADB Devices and press enter. Now, press OK on the phone. Now, you will be able to see your device connected. Now, write scrcpy.exe and press enter. As you can see, the device's screen is accessed on the computer. Now, if you don't want to write commands to access the screen, then you can open any two exes present below. Now, I will show you how to record the mobile screen and save the video on the computer. Open Command Prompt from Platform Tools folder by holding Shift key and pressing the right click. Now, write the command scrcpy record new.mp4, instead of new, you can use any name. Now, your mobile screen will be recorded. As you can see, it says recording complete. Here is the new .mp4 video file. Thanks for watching, share and subscribe.